Thank you very much, Suosdey. Yeah, your great topic is about sport and physical subject replaced by academic subject. Yeah, that's a great presentation. Now, question to Ben.
Okay, Susadai, thank you so much. Very interesting. So my first question to you is, do you prefer academic subjects or physical education?
Um, Thank you, Shaw, for your great question. I think that I prefer both both education because the for academic subject is very important too because academic subject has including many subjects in there and the children can go to learn at school to get a knowledge to showing their problems in the life and can get a knowledge to teaching other people that they don't know educations. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And for question two, do you play any sports regularly?
Yes, thank you for your question. I am playing sport regularly. I always playing basketball on the evening with my friend because it is very helpful to me to having my health um, make it make it stronger than people who don't play sport or anything regularly.
Mm-hmm.
That's all.
Susadai, thank you so much. Your answer to question two was really good because you very clearly said that you like both academic and physical education subjects equally because you can see the benefits in both. One helps the other. So that's a great answer. Yeah, and you also mentioned that for question two that you play sports regularly. You particularly like basketball, and you did a good job with describing specifically the health benefits that come with that. So thank you so much. Nice work.
First of all, I would like to pay my high respect to Teacher Kunfabika, School Director of Speak Up Online. Honored board, judges, teachers, and participants. I also like to say thank you to our donors, Mr. Raphael, Max, and his family for the support in the English speaking contest. Good afternoon, my name is Suosdey. I'm 15 years old. I study English at Pick Up Online. Today, I am very honored to be standing here and present to all of you one of my remarkable topics, which mentioned above. In many countries, sport and exercise classes are replaced with academic subjects. Discuss the effect of the trend. Without further ado, let me start my presentation. Over the past few decades, academic subject has become increasingly important in that fast-changing information-based society. Nowadays, there has been a growing debate as to whether it would be more effective to replace physical education with academic subjects. Despite the importance of sport, I highly believe that it is inevitable and more effective to focus more on academic subjects for several reasons. Those who argue that sport and exercise classes are needed in school base their case on the following arguments. First of all, sports are a good way to build character and develop personality. That is, they are necessary for learning about competition, cooperation, and good sportsmanship. In addition, as the majority of children these days are addicted to the internet, they find it hard to leave their computers. Consequently, a growing number of children are becoming overweight or obese due to a lack of exercise. So if school foster an environment that deprives students of getting a proper physical education, it will have a long-term negative effect on children both mentally and physically. Nevertheless, people should not ignore the fact of devoting more time and energy to academic subjects that will benefit students more in the long run. The time devoted to physical education would be better spent teaching students English. This is because speaking fluent English will give young people an advantage over all the college applicants and job seekers in the near future. Besides, science will undoubtedly benefit youth more than physical education as well. The principle learned in science will provide the necessary foundation for solving and difficult problems that are sure to arise in student futures. In summary, there are high hopes that educators and parents exercise wisdom in teaching young generations. That's all. Thank you for your listening.